Government Associate College for Women Jhanda Chichi Rawalpindi stands as a prominent institution at the very heart of the city. Its close proximity to the metro bus station makes daily conveyance smooth and affordable, especially for middle-class families. With accessibility, inclusivity, and academic commitment at its core, the college continues to play a vital role in promoting women's education. The foundation stone of the college building was laid on 22nd December 2002 by Chaudhry Parvez Elahi along with Sheikh Rashid Ahmed and Chaudhry Adnan. This college was established under the Government of Punjab, keeping in view the educational needs of the girls of this area. Part of the college is a team of experienced and well-qualified faculty members. The principal, Ms. Fawzia Kazim, is the Associate Professor of Philosophy. She's qualified from Utrecht University of Netherlands. The Vice Principal, Ms. Rabia Bano, is the Associate Professor of Economics. Ms. Ghazala Nahid, Professor of Applied Psychology, is a highly experienced academic with more than 3 decades of service. In recognition of her contributions, she was awarded a letter of appreciation for enrollment by the Higher Education Department in 2024, presented by Education Minister Rana Sikandar Hayat. Ms. Shazia Parveen, Professor of Physics, Ms. Asia Akhtar, Associate Professor of Civics, Dr. Rabia Ilyas is serving as Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Ms. Aisha Khalid Butt is serving as Assistant Professor of Statistics. Dr. Shiri Zafar is serving as Assistant Professor of Mathematics. She is gold medalist at Masters and MS level. Our college has well-equipped labs. Our biology lab is equipped with essential materials and models. In this lab, students perform practical work to study specimens and observe cells and tissues, which help them understand the structure and functions of living organisms. Our physics lab is equipped with the necessary instruments and apparatus. In this lab, students perform experiments related to motion, light, electricity, and other physical concepts, which help them connect theory with real-life applications. Our chemistry lab is equipped with essential apparatus and materials. Here, students perform experiments that help them understand chemical reactions and chemical formulas. The current principal has played a key role in the renovation of the college, bringing meaningful improvements to the campus infrastructure. Under her leadership, the Fine Arts Lab has been upgraded to support modern learning and creativity. The college also has a well-equipped computer lab that enables students to develop digital skills. Our college students actively participate in sports even with limited resources. The institution encourages physical fitness and healthy activities, and the students have won positions at district and divisional levels in racing, cycling, gymnastics, basketball, and cricket. The college has a multi-purpose hall equipped with an excellent sound system and a modern projector. The college library provides a modern, well-organized, and knowledge-oriented learning environment. It houses 3,068 books covering all subjects and offers comfortable seating for about 50 users. The college daycare provides a safe, nurturing, and well-supervised environment for young children. The college also has an active college council that plays an important role in maintaining academic standards and administrative discipline. Alongside this, the college societies provide students with opportunities to polish their talents beyond the classroom. These societies include Anti-Narcotics Society, Nazriya Pakistan Society, Islamic Society, Fine Arts Society, Urdu Literary Society, and English Literary Society. The students of the college consistently excel in extracurricular activities. They have secured top positions at district and divisional levels in sports such as cycling, cricket, volleyball, and gymnastics. In addition to sports, students also have won first and second positions in painting and calligraphy, showcasing their creative talent. The college actively promotes co-curricular activities to ensure holistic development of students. It regularly organizes Naat, Qiraat, and speech competitions, encouraging confidence and expression. National days are celebrated with great enthusiasm, marked by meaningful programs that foster patriotism and cultural awareness. It also hosts an annual book fair, fostering a love for reading and learning among students. Our current principal, Ms. Fawzia Kazim, has made remarkable contributions to the development and safety of the college. Under her leadership, solar panels were installed to power the hall. A photocopy machine was acquired and a medical room was established for student well-being. She also upgraded the hall with a motorized projector screen and enhanced security of the college with cameras. On the directions of Chief Minister Mariam Nawaz, she installed a panic button allowing students to report harassment immediately. Our alumni are our true strength. Many of our former students are now working in diverse professional fields. Our students continue to demonstrate outstanding performances, bringing pride and recognition to the college. The college shines in board exams with students achieving top results in Inter Part 1 and Part 2. Many of our former students are now working in diverse professional fields. Some serve as nurses, contributing to the healthcare sector, while one of our students has joined the police force, serving the nation with courage. Another is a talented cricket player representing the national team. Our students continue to demonstrate outstanding performances, bringing pride and recognition to the college.
Assalamu alaikum. Being a principal, my vision about the academic standards of my college is that every student must be very clear about their concepts and understanding. For that, I have put my effort to upgrade the labs and improve the infrastructure of the college. And now my future plan is to establish a video library so that students can enhance their knowledge about their subjects as well as general knowledge through video lectures.